Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. I'm Oyewale Sunday from Octozi School of Shoemaking. In this edition of my video, I'm going to show you how you can make this awesome pouch to pack your cash, to input your debit card. It's a mobile pouch that's going to serve as a safe. On this video, there's no step skip in this video. Every step is analyzed in here, so follow it step by step, no step skips. At the end, you should have a basic understanding how you can run through making this. So watch it to the end. At the end, you're gonna see the freebies I have for you. gotten this out and we've been able to stitch all here. We've been able to stitch it. So the next thing we just come to do now is then apply a gum round. Come in here to apply gum round this. Apply gum around this. Okay. Come in here too. Apply the gum. Apply gum around this. Okay. Okay, I'm done with that, and I have to apply gum to the inner pocket in here so I could then fix it with the frame that we have in here. Here is the frame and here is the inner pocket all stitched together. Okay. My first target is going to be the edge round. All the edges round first. All the edges round. Okay. Okay, turn to the other side. Now continue applying the gum around the edges. Around the edges. Around here this way. Okay. Covered. Covered now. So then wait for some minutes for this to dry, and then come back and then stick it together. So I'm going to position it this way. It's dry. So we just get to this, we come down in here. But first, we have to place this center, the base. I'm fixing the base this way. After I get to fix the base, I come again and check this angle out. I got the angle aligned there. I come in here to I get the angle aligned like this. Okay, like this. So we have this now. Come here to come here and I drop this. Work along the edges. Okay. Work on the angle corner. Watch the angle in here. If you're not watching this, the angle, the zip might not be closing up very well. So you work that, you check that out. And you come here and do the final thing at the side. So in here, we're done with it. All fixed this way. I can then check out if it's okay. This way, we're done with it. Done with it now. I can come here with my zip. So it's here, you can see, so easy to open. Just go around this way and you have this. Right now, in here, we have pockets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets like this, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have 10, we have 11, we have 12. So in here we have 12 pockets in this pouch. We have 12 pockets in here, and so easy to close. So when you want to put your valuables, the complimentary card. Oh yeah. So right now we're done with this, and I can come in here to drop my card in here, my debit MasterCard in here. Complimentary card goes in different pocket. Goes in different pocket. Okay, in here. So there's enough pocket for everything you need to keep in here. Different pocket for it. And then if you need to do the add cash, you come in here. You have 1, 2, 3 options to do your add cash. I don't go around with money laundry, so you have to put a little cash in here. So here's the space for your cash, space for your cash, space for your cash. And if you have a little jewelry, an earring, or a diamond, a gold ring you need to put in there, you can just put it inside one of these pockets. So that is it. This is how it's been made. Enjoy what you've seen. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And while you're subscribing, please click on the bell button just to get an update for our subsequent upload. I would like you to input the like button, and in down here, I'm always ready for your comment. Pour in your comment. I am always available for you. Till next episode, keep learning.